Delegaciones tales como las de Estados Unidos no han hecho nada para parar esta problemática.
Yo no quiero resolver la guerra con más guerra.
Pero si ellos no son capaces de controlar a su población, ¿qué está pasando aquí?
Point of order, the delegate is not talking in third person. Please be respectful with the honorable chair.
El delegado quiere formar una tercera guerra mundial, hay que formarla, delegados.
Estados Unidos de Norteamérica tomará toda intervención que sea necesaria.
Laos es uno de los países que más trafica metanfetaminas.
Por favor, delegados, pensemos.
Delegados, hay que hacer algo al respecto.
Son habitantes del Catatumbo que saben lo que pasa y ya.
Que la plata sí llegue.
No necesito más respuesta. Punto de privilegio personal.
Super proud of the work that our students and Dr. Ian have shown in this Model UN event. This really exhibits the power of a Colegio Panamericano education.
In Panmun 5, we have more than 110 students right here who are preparing to debate.
Here, we learn the power of decision-making. Different delegates try to unite all of the other delegates in order to come together to a resolution.
I am excited because in Panmun 5, I have been recognized because I was peaceful, because I think that the peaceful is the best way.
I feel these 3 days of debate as a prestigious person thanks to all the attention that Panmun 5 has given to all of us.
So it was really fun and it was really incredible, this experience.
And the most important thing is that everything that happens into the room, it just gets inside it and doesn't get outside because we're all friends.